My name is Robert Catalan, and I am the Santa Fe branch manager for RoofCARE. We use HydroStop products manufactured by GAF, and which allowed them to attain a 15-year warranted roof system. Probably about 50% was built-up roof and 50% was an EPDM roof. On the built-up roof, we power washed the entire roof surface, got rid of all the loose granules. After that was done, we did a roof inspection. We addressed any blisters, any issues that needed to be corrected prior to us installing the fluid applied system. After all that was done, then we took the liberty of applying a unit-based primer over the entire built-up roof section. After that dried, then we installed foundation coat at a rate of 2.5 gallons per 100 square feet, embedded a polyester fabric into the foundation, let that cure, and then we applied 2 gallons of top coat at a rate of 2 gallons per 100 square feet. So that gave us the full warranted system. Along the way, we also inspected the walls, where we made corrective repairs on stucco walls and block walls as needed to incorporate that into the warranty. On the EPDM roofs, we power washed those as well, cleaned the roofs off, installed a Clean Act primer, which goes along hand in hand with the power washing, and basically did the same system there with doing roof inspections, making it needed and required repairs prior to us installing the fluid applied system. Again, there we installed a HydroStop foundation system at 2.5 gallons per 100 square feet with a reinforced polyester fabric, coated that again with the foundation, let that cure, and then we installed the premium top coat at a rate of 2 gallons per 100 square feet. Same thing there with the parapet walls. We inspected all the parapet walls on those sections and repaired them as needed to incorporate that into the warranted system. At the end, we had a roof inspection by the architect, the folks from Santa Fe Community College, and also the roof manufacturer. A couple little minor items were on the punch list. We took care of those. Sent the pictures of the corrected items to the architect, and got a 15-year warranty for Santa Fe Community College, which they were very pleased with. Doing a renovation system, it eliminates a lot of noise on the roof. Some of this stuff is done during classes, so we got very good compliments. In fact, students and teachers didn't even know we were on the roof other than seeing our trucks there. So lots of benefits to renovating in lieu of replacement. The project, like I mentioned, was right around 200,000 square feet with parapet walls included. Typically, this would have cost the college right around $3 to $3.5 million to re-roof. We were able to renovate it for right around $1.5 million. So you can see that's a 50 to 60% savings, and they still get a 15-year warranted system, which is renewable. After the warranty expires, you can go in there, do some power washing, do a little bit of maintenance and touch-ups, and then throw another, install another 2 gallons per 100 square feet and renew the warranty for another 10 years for the life of the roof. So every 10 years you can renew that warranty, therefore you never have to tear it off. So it's definitely a win-win situation for the community college, and everyone's happy. And they get energy savings now because they got white roofs instead of black roofs and gray roofs. That's it.